Hi there, welcome to the TesRex YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing for you of the Webex Share. Please stay tuned and we hope you enjoy the video. So here we have the brand new Cisco Webex Share, and let's take a look and see what's inside of it. The outer packaging consists of a very clear Cisco logo, with the box itself being a basic brown colour. We are greeted with the Share itself immediately as we open up the box. As my colleague Adam picks up the Webex Share, you can get a sense of the size of the device, which weighs just 62 grams. The Share comes in a triangular layout, with each corner having a very specific purpose. At the very top is the HDMI cable. This is how the device connects to your television screen. A great feature of the Webex Share is that it can actually control the power of your television using CEC. This means that as the Share detects someone is in the room, it'll wake the television up. And after they leave, the Share will automatically turn the television off to prevent wasting power. On the right hand corner there is an ultrasound emitter, which enables you to connect your smartphone or laptop to the device wirelessly, so that you can easily share documents to the screen through your Webex Teams application. It features proximity awareness and uses this to provide detailed analytics to administrators of the room's usage, which allows for more efficient planning. And finally, on the left-hand corner we have the USB-C port, which is how the device is powered. If you would prefer to connect the device to your network over a wired connection rather than Wi-Fi, this port also allows you to do so. As we move on from the actual Webex Share itself, we are greeted with the power brick. As we can see here, this is a US power brick. However, depending on where you purchase the Webex Share, your power brick will be suited to your location. The next component in the Webex Share box is the Quick Start Guide, which contains all of the basic how-to information. Most importantly, the connectivity options. The default option is Wi-Fi, with the other options being PoE and wired Ethernet connection. Underneath the Quick Start Guide we have the licensing agreement, and beneath this we are greeted with the final two components of the Webex Share box. The first of the final two components is the Ethernet brick, which is used as the third connectivity option for the Webex Share, allowing us to connect the Share over your network hardware. And last but not least, we have the USB-C cable, which is used to power the device. And with that comes the end of this unboxing. The Webex Share is a small and well-designed device that enables you to turn any small meeting room into a modern huddle room built for collaboration. Thanks for watching, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions for us, you can find all the links to our websites down below. And if you'd like to buy the Webex Share now, you can get it directly from getwebexshare.co.uk. If you have any feedback for us relating to the video, please leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos on our channel featuring the Webex Share. Thanks very much.